Lavender is a fragrant herb cherished for centuries. It offers more than just a pleasant scent. It has many health benefits. One of its most well-known uses is in calming anxiety and lifting mood. Research shows that inhaling lavender or taking it orally can reduce anxiety. It affects the part of your brain that helps regulate stress and mood. Another effect of lavender is it can help if you struggle to sleep. Studies have suggested that inhaling lavender before bed can enhance sleep quality. This effect of lavender has been seen in both animal and human studies, making it a natural remedy for insomnia. If you didn't know, lavender oil is a huge part of aromatherapy. Its unique pain-relieving and relaxing properties have been shown to reduce pain perception and increase relaxation. So, now you know what lavender is good for. If you liked the video, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.